So we want to look at tan, sine, and cos 45 degrees. At the same time, 90 degrees. We are using this triangle. In this case, you use an isosceles right angle triangle because we are talking of 45 and 90 degrees. The other one, in case of angle 30 degrees, 60 degrees, we used equilateral triangle, that is the three sides are equal. This isosceles triangle now, only two sides are equal. The two sides AB and BC are equal. So that is the type of triangle we are going to use to get the values of cos 45 and cos 90, sine 45, sine 90, tan 45, tan 90. By Pythagoras theorem, we have this AC is equal to line AC is equal to square root of 2 centimeters. That's how we got it, because this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. By the time you use Pythagoras theorem, you have this side, the hypotenuse, to be square root of 2. So we are not going to dwell on calculating that again. You can do that as an assignment in the house. So let's start with so ka toi. You keep using this every time, so you must know it. Sine 45 degrees is equal to, let's pick this one, sine opposite over hypotenuse, which is equal to 1 over root 2. Cos 45 degrees is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 1 over root 2. Tan 45 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is equal to 1 over 1, which is equal to 1. These are the values of the sine, the tan, the cos of 45 degrees. These are the values. You notice that sine 45 degrees is equal to cos 45 degrees. Let's go to sine 90. Sine 90 degrees is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Sine 90, this is 90, opposite, which is equal to root 2 over hypotenuse, root 2. And this is equal to 1. The opposite is root 2. The hypotenuse is root 2. Cos 90 degrees is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is equal to adjacent 1 over root 2. Tan 90 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is equal to opposite, that's root 2, and adjacent is equal to 1, and this is root 2. These are the figures that you need offhand. You need all of them offhand, and you will look, when you look at them very well, you see that some are equal. Tan 45 degrees is equal to 1, which is equal to sine 90 degrees. Sine 90 degrees too is equal to 1. Sine 90 degrees and tan 45 degrees, they are the same thing. Cos 90 degrees and sine 45 degrees, they are the same thing. Cos 90 is the same thing as sine 45, is the same thing as cos 45. In mathematics, it's not good for you to cram, What you need is to understand what you are doing. The moment you understand what you are doing, you cannot forget it. But if you are cramming, you will mix up all these things and you make mistakes. So don't cram, just understand what you are doing.